Can you really make money on ClickBank without showing your face? No camera, no personal brand, no exposure, just content and results. If that's what you're looking for, this might be exactly what you need. In this video, we're going to break down if it's actually possible to stay anonymous, how people are doing this right now, the pros and cons of faceless content, and the smartest way to start as a beginner. If you don't want to be on camera, this will make things a lot clearer. Let's get straight to the point. Yes, you can do ClickBank without showing your face. In fact, a lot of successful channels never show who's behind them. They focus on voiceovers, stock footage, screen recordings, simple visuals, and still generate traffic and sales. Here's how it works. Instead of building a personal brand, you build a content system. For example, educational videos, explainer content, problem-solving videos. You don't need to be the face. The content does the job. There are some big advantages. 1. No fear of exposure. You don't have to worry about appearance or camera confidence. 2. Faster production. You can create content quicker using simple formats. 3. Scalable. You can even outsource later. But there are also downsides. Lower trust at first. People connect less without a face. More competition. Faceless content is easier to replicate. You need better structure. Your message has to be clear and engaging. Here's the key. It's not about showing your face. It's about solving a problem, delivering clear value, keeping attention. If your content does that, you don't need a face. Start simple. Pick one niche. Use basic visuals. Focus on clear scripts. Don't overthink production. Execution beats perfection. So, can you do ClickBank without showing your face? Absolutely. But like anything, it comes down to consistency and strategy. If you want to follow a more structured system, especially for beginners, there's a step-by-step approach you can check out in the description. And if this helped you, subscribe, because the next videos will show you how to scale this.